His holy day, may His light guide your path. May His love grace your heart, and may His sacrifice strengthen your soul. Jumma Mubarak. It's Friday. Don't forget to recite Surah Al-Kahf. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever reads Surah Al-Kahf on the day of Jummah will have a light that will shine from him from one Friday to the next Friday. Alhamdulillah for everything in this life. Only Allah knows pain behind every smile. Happy Friday. The best gift you can give someone is dua. Jumma Mubarak. Do something that your future self will thank you for. May Allah bless you and your family with His countless blessing today and every day. Ameen. Jumma Mubarak. For every blessing Allah has given us, hidden and apparent, and for everything Allah has protected us from. Alhamdulillah. Jumma Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum. Always pray to have eyes that see the best in people, a heart that forgives the worst, a mind that forgets the bad, and a soul that never lost faith. Ameen. Jumma Mubarak. Best day of the week, Jummah. Don't forget to read Surah Al-Kahf. Today it's Sunnah. Ya Allah, please forgive our past and grant a beautiful future. May Allah keep us always under His mercy and protection. Jumma Mubarak. Wishing you a blessed Jummah. May all your prayers be here today. As Friday shines in the heart of Muslims, may you be among the ones who will receive the peace and blessings of Friday prayers. When Allah is your strength, nothing can break you. Jumma Mubarak. If you liked my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.